स्पॉटलाइट में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट अमीता। Join me weekly as I talk to guests who will share their success stories and inspire us. आज हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में है एक सक्सेसफुल creative and social entrepreneur who has received recognition for his work not only in Canada but also in India. Welcome to Spotlight, Mr. Ashutosh Jha.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Yeah.
It's exciting to have you here because we want to find out all about your ventures that's taking it to an amazing social activist level. But उससे पहले जानना चाहते हैं कुछ आपके बारे में, like where did you grow up and what is your educational background?
मैं इंडिया में पैदा हुआ था, दिल्ली में. I grew up in Noida, which is close to Delhi. I went to my high school there. मैं अपनी क्लास का grade 1 से grade 12, grade 11 तक हर साल monitor था. Grade 12 में I became a head boy. मेरे अंकल उस टाइम कनाडा में थे. He took notice. He's always been my mentor. तो उन्होंने मेरे को फिर कनाडा में बुलाया. फिर मैं यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ गुएल्फ गया कंप्यूटिंग एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंसेस के लिए 1 साल के लिए. उसके बाद मैं यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टोरंटो में मूव हो गया. ट्रिनिटी कॉलेज में मैं गया 4 साल. आई डिड कंप्यूटर साइंस, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग एंड फिलॉसफी. उसके बाद बाय चांस आई एंडेड अप हेल्पिंग Rotman Business School start a new business program like a mini MBA.
Oh, nice.
And उसके बाद उन्होंने मेरे को स्कॉलरशिप दी कि मैं उस प्रोग्राम में पार्टिसिपेट करूँ. मैंने किया. उसके बाद मैं काफ़ी सालों तक डिफरेंट कंपनीज में काम किया और उसके बाद अब मैं स्टूडेंट ऑफ लाइफ now.
Oh, well said. Interesting. आपको कैसे motivation मिली? Like you had to contact Rotman and say, okay, this is my proposal for a program. What motivated
नहीं हुआ
you?
क्या कि मैं अपने स्कूल का यूनिवर्सिटी का हेड ऑफ कॉलेज हुआ करता था. स्टूडेंट हेड ऑफ कॉलेज.
हाँ.
So it was easy. They saw that this guy does a lot of interesting stuff, and they said, "This is a guy who's going to be honest and is going to put his 100%. Let's bring him on board." So they brought me into a committee that was going to help. And me being me, I was quite active within the committee, and then I spent a lot of time with the VP, helping them put the program together. Yeah.
Nice. तो उन्होंने आपको notice इसलिए किया because you put 100% to everything you do, I guess.
Try.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Awesome. तो अभी आपने कहा कि you're a student of life. लेकिन student of life is not just for yourself. आप दूसरों के लिए भी करते हैं. Especially about your company, which is running successfully 180 Smoke.
Yeah.
Interesting concept that I know about. But if you could enlighten the viewers about what motivated you to start that.
Sadly, something negative and sad got me into it. मेरा favorite cousin 39-year age pe, he died. And smoking was a big part of it. He was a very intelligent guy. He started smoking quite early on. Started making money early on. So therefore he started smoking early on because I think this is something that we did. People do. And he died. And around then I had experiment with smoking myself. Those clove cigarettes that seem so harmless.
Okay.
But they're actually more harmful than even a regular cigarette because the tar content is really high. So a lot of these things got me really into researching this topic and understood that smoking is the number 1 preventable cause of death. Number 1 preventable cause of death around the world. It affects most of us. 1 in 4, 1 in 5 of our friends are smokers. Some of them are closet smokers, but it's affecting them. And after all this happened, a good friend of mine lost his dad to smoking. And he was at that point marketing e-cigarettes. But the quality of e-cigarettes and the service provided was quite poor, so his dad really didn't take it seriously. Now his mom is a full-time vapor, thankfully. So we decided to then start a company. But we knew that we only had some ideas, we had some skills. We weren't the perfect people to start this company. So then we crowdsourced our company. हमने 1200-1300 smokers से बात की, उनसे पूछा उन्हें क्या चाहिए. Based on that, we started 180 Smoke. Yeah.
Okay, nice. तो आपकी पॉलिसी है कि it's all about the abstinence and जैसे कि quit smoking एक है program गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा, but you are going through it for at a different approach.
A little different approach. काफी लोगों को पता नहीं होता है कि निकोटीन और कैफीन relatively same खराब चीजें होती हैं. अगर आज से हम 5,000 साल पहले हम कॉफी और टी को ना जला के पीते. That's how we took caffeine. And अब पता लगता कि भैया कैफीन को जलाने की जगह अगर तुम डिस्टिल करोगे वाटर में, then it's not only gives you the same amount of caffeine, maybe even better caffeine, it's cleaner and it's healthier. It's 95 to 99%, 99.9% healthier. वही टोबैको के साथ हुआ है. हमने शुरुआत से उसको जलाया. tobacco companies took control of this whole industry.
Yes.
And they never really did any research or anything on figuring out better ways to deliver nicotine. Now, e-cigarettes are an alternative, right? They give you clean nicotine. Now, nicotine itself is as good or as bad as caffeine. Yes, you probably know.
Yes.
Certainly it's not good for you.
No,
right?
but a better option or
better
an
option, yeah.
alternative.
Yeah. और निकोटीन घर की काफ़ी चीज़ों में पाया जाता है, पोटैटोज़ में, पेपर्स में, ब्लैक टी में. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये खराब चीज़ है per se, but of course too much is bad. So what we are offering is an alternative through vaping. And अगर कोई सिगरेट पीता है तो उसको तो 100% छोड़ देना चाहिए. और because cigarette is the hardest thing to leave, for those people we're providing this alternative, not for people who are not smokers.
Oh yes, okay, yeah. तो ये clarify हो गया, and that's actually almost like a step down therapy. It's मैं तो जानती हूँ, like it's very hard to quit once you get into smoking. So yeah, giving them a better alternative, और उसके बाद then they can decide later on what to do. But at least it's going to a less harmful option.
Exactly. You said
Perfect.
it. Yeah.
तो आपको कुछ challenges तो हुए होंगे when you started this company, because it's all about, I was just wondering about that concept, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने कहा कि government is offering the quit smoking campaign और आपने ये healthier alternative शुरू किया.
Actually, government सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत है. Government के पास कोई regulation नहीं है. Government only treats nicotine as tobacco or as a drug that pharma companies sell, like patches. और ये दोनों companies, the tobacco industry and the pharma company, hate our industry because suddenly we have killed the industry. We have provided a better alternative to tobacco and a much better alternative to even patches and gums, which are not satisfying for most people.
I agree.
So they hate us. That's a big problem. They spread negative news in press all the time. The government has no policies to facilitate our industry, and of course all the usual startup challenges. हम लोग के अब हमारे ऑफिस में करीब 16-17 लोग हैं टोरंटो ऑफिस में, और करीब इतने ही लोग कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स हैं around the country in North America. Managing people, the cash flow issues, all the usual issues I face today, besides extra stuff that the industry and the government is causing us.
It has a philanthropist intention underlying, and I know you're involved with many other social projects that have similar intentions. Especially, I believe you work a lot with Canadian First Nations.
जी.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो हमें इन सब projects के बारे में कुछ enlighten कीजिए.
पिछले काफ़ी सालों से मैंने काफ़ी focus किया, and it's not because मैं दूसरों को help करना चाहता है. It's more like because I got help from other people in my life, I was trying to pay it forward. First Nations people की situation बहुत ही खराब है. The situation that the opportunities they're given, the situation they're given, they're all given in the wrong way, in the wrong context. So हमारा project specifically focus कर रहा था कि हम bright young First Nation youth को ढूंढ रहे थे Northern Ontario में. उनमें से करीब 15 से 20 लोगों को हम select करते थे. उनको हम टोरंटो लेके आते थे. उनके बाद they will get education for a weekend from the top professors, the top coaches. And the next 3 days, they will job shadow somebody in their industry that they wanna go into, like CEO of TD or CEO of HSBC. They'll follow for the full day, and they get to see how the world works. And the main result आया उससे इन young लोगों को पता लगा कि जो CEO है HSBC का या किसी बैंक का, no different than who they are, what their abilities are. उनकी भी लाइफ में पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं जैसे सब लोगों को होती है. बेसिकली ये प्रोजेक्ट बहुत इंस्पायरिंग था उनके लिए. उसके बाद हम उन्हें चांस देते $15,000 विन करने का. They have to write a plan and they have to execute it. तो ये प्रोजेक्ट करते थे. अभी हमने इसको पॉज पे डाला हुआ है क्योंकि मैं भी फोकस कर रहा हूँ खुद ही अपने बिजनेस पे. But I continue to facilitate a lot of this stuff. So
it's all about getting it initiated, and if you have the right people trained, they will carry it forward.
Yeah, so the projects are being carried on right now in Northern Ontario, and I'm looking forward to doing more in that area. It's a very personal situation. Well, they're called First Nations, and they're called Indians.
Oh yes, of course.
Indian. So that was a joke how we got involved.
वो जो relation हुआ, like it's like a relation beyond time.
Yeah, they joke if Alexandra had not found them and had found us instead, then they would be in a better situation than us. Because somehow they joke.
Okay.
But the point is that they need help and they're ready. They really want to do something with their lives. So we're not doing charity. We're strictly doing mentoring type projects.
Yeah, but यही तो है. आपने कहा कि आप खुद है student life की. The same thing. I think it's about helping people to help themselves.
Yeah.
then it goes on for generations.
बिल्कुल,
Yeah. आप कुछ और ग्रुप्स के साथ भी काम करते हैं, जैसे आप खुद साउथ एशियन हैं, आप साउथ एशियंस को भी प्रमोट करते हैं या उनकी कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं आपके साथ?
अगर मेरे को क्रिएटिव लोग मिलते हैं जो मुझे पसंद आते हैं, जिनसे मेरा अच्छा कनेक्शन बनता है, तो मैं उनको पुश करता हूँ यूजुअली, be it a artist, be it a filmmaker, any creative type people, because typically find कि creative लोगों को कम हेल्प मिलती है और क्रिएटिव लोगों के साथ मेरी बहुत बनती है जनरली स्पीकिंग,
क्योंकि आप भी क्रिएटिव हो इसलिए
मैं creative wanna be.
कनेक्शन
wanna be creative.
wanna be creative नहीं, सुनने को मिल रहा है कि आप जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स करते हैं अपनी खुद की मेहनत से और सोच से करते हैं, then obviously you're creative, right from when you put in the program for Rotman School, like you said.
ये भी है कि मेरे साथ में जो लोग रहते हैं usually they like me and then they help me a lot and I get the credit.
No, positive attracts positive. तो it's interesting, आपने कहा कि आप musicians और TV creative artists को भी promote करते हैं. Like how, so if somebody wanted to pursue that, how would they come and approach you?
Not right now. मेरा focus सिर्फ One Eighty Smoke है because cigarette is killing people every day. Every 12 seconds, every 8 seconds in our own country people are dying. So अभी वो focus है, लेकिन generally speaking I'm happy to talk to any creative person and मैं उनको fully honest अपना feedback दूंगा. जो business के मेरे थोड़े बहुत experiences वो उनको दूंगा, जो creative business के मेरे थोड़े बहुत experiences वो भी add करूंगा, और most importantly मैं उनको happily introduce करूंगा उन लोगों से जो शायद उनके लिए फ़ायदेमंद हो सकते हैं. That's where I really will be most valuable.
I love it. Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring, yeah.
और उसके एक और भी चीज़ है. You're very creative, लेकिन you're a man of priorities. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, you have any idea to get into the political arena? Because I think you will make a wonderful
मैं काफ़ी टाइम
candidate.
तक सोचता था, काफ़ी टाइम तक सोचता था कि मेरे को जाना चाहिए. मैं अपने स्कूल में क्लास मॉनिटर था, मैं हेड बॉय था अपने हाई स्कूल में, मैं अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी का हेड ऑफ कॉलेज था. उसके बाद मैंने कुछ टाइम शशि थरूर का असिस्टेंट बनके इंडिया में काम किया. तब मेरे को समझ में आया कि पॉलिटिक्स इज़ good for the people when people get involved, but for the politician it may or may not be good. He has a very stressful life. So for now I've decided not to be in politics myself, but मैं continue करूँगा politics में involved होने की. जैसे कि अगर किसी का campaign हो रहा है तो most likely I will likely be involved. If I find a candidate that I like, then I will then I'll push them. पर मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं अभी पॉलिटिक्स में जाने का सोच रहा हूँ, बिल्कुल नहीं
अभी नहीं. Okay, no.
शायद कभी नहीं, but it's hard to say.
You never know. You have a mentor in life from very early on, Mr. Aditya Jha. He's a very well-known entrepreneur, philanthropist, and social activist himself. I wonder, has he influenced you in a big way, or?
Yeah, very much so. The biggest thing that he has done since I was born, actually before I was born even, he's my mother's brother, elder brother. He's taken care of me. He's unconditionally loved me. But the unconditional love also comes with some amazing things. For example, he is never afraid to give me full feedback. And the great thing about him, कि वो सिर्फ feedback नहीं देते हैं, वो बैठ के फिर समझाते हैं कि क्यों, why he thinks what he thinks, right? Because and he acknowledges that he is not the only opinion. He may be wrong, पर वो अपनी तरफ समझाते हैं. उसके बाद वो practice करवाते हैं कि कैसे अच्छा करेंगे अगली बारी. That's number one. नंबर 2 इज़ कि उन्होंने सब कुछ कर रखा है, दुनिया भर घूम लिए है, पैसे भी बना लिए हैं, अच्छे अच्छे काम भी किए हैं, काफ़ी तरह के अवार्ड भी मिल गए हैं.
Yeah, for sure.
और अब वो टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं मेरे साथ समझाने की कि थिंग्स दैट मैटर द मोस्ट आर द वंस वी शुड फोकस ऑन. एंड द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज सेल्फ सेटिस्फैक्शन, to respect yourself, to enjoy yourself, to have peace within. And those are things that he's been coaching me on. And मैं बहुत ही लकी हूँ कि मेरी मम्मी उनकी बहन है. उनकी वजह से मेरा उनसे मिलना हुआ. उसके बाद मैंने भी हमेशा मेहनत की, उनको दिखाया कि मैं कर सकता हूँ कुछ, और उन्होंने बहुत ही इंटरेस्ट लिया मेरे में, बहुत ही लव दिया. उनकी वजह से मैं यहाँ पर हूँ आज.
आपने कहा कि उन्होंने आपको यहाँ पर इनवाइट किया कनाडा में.
जी.
लव इट. एक पेरेंट फिगर जो ना सिर्फ एडवाइस देते हैं बट समझाते हैं कि एडवाइस क्यों दे रहे हैं. That is rare to find. Yeah. And also rare to find some parent figure who will encourage you to find yourself.
जी, वो सिर्फ मेरे साथ नहीं करते हैं. अगर कोई भी उनको मिलेगा, आप भी मिलेंगी, अगर आपसे अच्छा कनेक्शन हुआ तो he'll take the time. Even अगर हम 4 मिनट के लिए बात करते हैं तो he'll leave something positive with you. He'll leave something valuable for you to think about, to ponder about. And ये आदत में उनकी ये बहुत ही बड़ी आदत है उनकी.
और एक और भी पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट उन्होंने आप पर भी इंस्टॉल किया हुआ है, वो भी हम्बल सुनाई देती है. एंड यू आर आल्सो वेरी हम्बल, आई कैन हियर दैट.
मेरे केस में सच है. सच है. मैं हम्बल हूँ इसलिए क्योंकि मेरे पास इतना सक्सेस नहीं हुआ है. वो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ बोलते हैं हमेशा कि लाइफ में nobody can be successful, because सक्सेसफुल एक स्टेट होता है. ट्रूथ की सक्सेस इज अ इवेंट, नॉट अ स्टेट. सो वी कैन हैव सक्सेस बट वी कैन नेवर स्टे सक्सेसफुल. ये एक बार सोच लो तो समझ में आता है कि भैया you reach somewhere and then you're back to normal and then you have to try again. Right?
That's true. लेकिन ये बात गलत है. आप humble है और आप successful भी है. यही quality है आपकी. आप humble है और आपकी success को मानते नहीं है.
That's so kind of you. Yeah.
तो that part is a part of self-improvement. I think it's a process of self-improvement जो humbleness आपको मिली है, trying to help others. So I know you're very believer, जैसे आपने पहले भी कहा, like you like self-improvement practices.
Yeah.
तो आप दूसरों के लिए बहुत कुछ करते हैं, like even with your company 180 Smoke, लेकिन अपने लिए क्या करते हैं? क्या hobbies है आपकी?
जब my papa passed away half a decade ago, I really understood the concept that life is short, and that's when this whole self-improvement process began, and it really is for myself to find peace. So it sounds odd, but my biggest hobby really right now for this decade, in my early 30s that I'm in, is to improve myself. So I spend a lot of time still thinking about myself, my actions. मेरी second hobby है universe के, because when you start thinking about pondering yourself, you start putting things in context कि हम अर्थ में रहते हैं, अर्थ is part of universe is part of galaxy, all this kind of stuff. तो मेरे को बहुत ही इंटरेस्ट है इस गैलेक्सी वगैरह में. और जब इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में मैं जब पढ़ने लगा, सीखने लगा, डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देखने लगा couple of years ago, तब मेरे को इंटरेस्ट आया नैनो पार्टिकल्स में, because there's a lot of relationship between the way the nano world works. So we are made of atoms, but अब scientists atoms के भी जो छोटे particles होते हैं उसमें research कर रहे हैं, और पता लगता है कि जो laws that our own atoms follow within the atoms are similar to the laws we believe that the outer world follows. जहाँ पे gravity नहीं होती है, वैसा नहीं होता है. तो मेरे को इन सब चीज़ों में काफ़ी ज़्यादा interest है. And the third thing that I enjoy the most, which I said earlier, was spending time with other creative people, more intelligent people who will give me some advice, and I get to give them advice. Anybody who will give me a good conversation, I'll take it. That's my hobby.
Reciprocate, you know, it's back and forth.
Yeah.
जो आपकी दूसरी hobby is very interesting. There was a flash of a picture in my mind. बताओ कौन सी picture? Like you're in a space station of your own out there in the universe.
Yeah, actually most recently बहुत ही interesting in nanoparticulate world, because हमारे own cells within, well, cells तो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ हो गई, मतलब I'm talking a billion trillion times smaller than our own cells, which is actually part of our body. These parts don't follow the same laws that we believe, like the laws of gravity, the law of time.
Yeah,
they don't follow it.
It's very interesting.
This subsection of our piece can be in two places at the same time.
Wow.
I mean, it's crazy stuff. It just makes me realize that some of the science fiction could be true in a couple hundred years, I think.
I can totally see you though researching this to your maximum, because you have that in you. And like I'm telling you, I can see a space station somewhere down the road with your name on it, Mr. Ashutosh Space Station. No, akela nahi, because you'll have your creative people with you too, right? Are you looking to get married?
No, not sure. Can be sure, because I mean things have not gone exactly the way things go for most people in my life. I've lost a lot of people in my life. I've gone a certain path. So पता नहीं, time ही बताएगा.
Time ही बताएगा.
Time ही बताएगा.
But the way you put it, कि आपने बहुत कुछ खोया, people have been lost in your life too, but you have taken it upon yourself to redirect it in a positive way. For example, how the 180 Smoke came around.
Yeah.
And that's what's amazing about people like yourself, and that's why I know you have achieved success at such a young age, and you're making it big. And we're proud of you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. मेरा तो यही कहना होगा सभी लोगों के लिए कि spend a lot of time self-reflecting. Like spend a lot of time when you've self-reflected and you come up with your best traits and the worst traits, then spend some time with a mentor, analyzing those, and somebody who cares for you, who can take those things and make something positive out of it. And धीरे धीरे जो अंदर की दर्द है, अंदर की प्रॉब्लम से धीरे धीरे वो खत्म हो जाएंगी या कम हो जाएंगी, खत्म तो नहीं होंगी, कम हो जाएंगी, and बहुत important है. Self reflection and then spending time with your mentors will help you.
Okay. Very inspiring talking to you, Mr. Jha, and thank you so much for taking the time and coming to talk to us.
Thank you, Mika.
We wish you all the best, and again, once again, I'm saying proud of you for everything you do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry I went over, I think. Yeah.
तो ये थे मिस्टर आशुतोष झा, जिन्होंने हमें सिखाया है कि you have to do some self-reflection, get a mentor, and follow your passions to find your ultimate goal in life. Well, that's a wrap for this week. This is Amita signing off for this week, but reminding you that we will be bringing you guests every week who will inspire you with their success stories. You can follow us on Facebook or Twitter, or even better, write to me at vgamitaspotlight@gmail.com. Until next week, I encourage you to live your life to the fullest and find your own passions.